Oh, there's a little dog on it. You see the dog on it? Cool. Hoover A1673. That grader working there. You're good. You can go ahead. There's a little Kubota following behind. Got a pink Cub Cadet. 1970 106. 1949 Farmall H. It's the one I seen at the Silk Hope show. Has that really nice carriage on the back of it. See how that's built onto the frame there? There's a 1923 butter churn. That archway there is a gear. Super A going. And they have stuff on both sides of the road. There's an old pull behind sickle bar mower where you sit on it for horse drawn or even very old tractor drawn. Here's the train station for the little kids train they have. They have an old one sitting up on the hill there. 857 wheel horse. And they have all kinds of railroad equipment back in the woods there. There's a very old grader. Old. Here, a Baker steam engine. Baker steam engine. Beautiful. These tires on there. Look at the gears in there. And it's steered with chains. You pull on the lever there, it pulls the chain back and forth, and that is what steers it. Bad Baker Manufacturing Company, Swanton, Ohio. The wheel for that, for the belt. That's a little piece. Look, there's F Super Duty here. This is a nice piece of equipment. Old and new. I like the old better. There's a crawler up on that old train car there. There's another Baker. And over there is what I call the Valley of the Giants. All them giant steam engines. And they have a whole lot more than that. They have hundreds more than that. There's a train again. A big train in the have golf carts that you can rent here because it's so big. Look how deep the rivets in the ground are. Santa Claus. Look, Wyatt. Look, Wyatt, Santa Claus. Avery has a big old pit bull on the front of it. This thing. The Holt 60. Like you hear all these big beasts. There's a Farmall 200. Tractor rides here. And there's that great big one there. Look how big this one is. A big three-wheeler one. I bet you that steering wheel's up there 25, 30 feet. Here comes a Baker. Look at this big Goliath. Minneapolis Hopkins. Over there, bulldozer. Oil pull. Sawyer Massey. This big old Peerless Geyser, Waynesboro, Pennsylvania. So there goes the little train one. There comes the granddaddy of them all. Oh, look at the little mini one. That's cool. Got a Farmall M or Super M right here. From a log cabin. Cool little mini one. Yeah, it's a dog. Sawyer Massey. Steamroller. Here's a Farmall Cub with a belly mower. Hamilton, Canada. Coal goes in there, runs a engine. Oliver, Hart Car, case. Altman Taylor. Yeah, horse. Yeah, a Stanley steamer. Ooh, look at the kitten. Say, this one has a tiger on it, Waylon. See the big tiger? See, wow. A little Coke machine and a mermaid. There's an engine full of, whole building full of hit and miss engines. There's another building, whole building full of hit and miss engines. Oh, oh, that's a hit and miss engine running that, I believe. That's cool. Yeah. Well, that's all the battery I have on my phone. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Have a great day.